Don't eat the art supplies, the preschool teacher always said. Well, this peppermint Play-Doh not only smells good, it tastes good too, and I'm told it's safe to sample. I have a few helpers today who might be willing to put that claim to the test. Knowing this edible Christmas clay is a project that you might want to try with your own kids or grandkids, I said, me too. So hey guys, Emme, Boston, Lucy, Penny, come on out. This is my Christmas crew. Hello. How are you four?
Mom!
Oh, hi. It's like we just saw each other for the first time. That's the enthusiasm you get from Penny Lane every single time. This has sort of become a tradition to have you guys in the Studio 5 kitchen at Christmas. Thank you for coming again. How are we feeling about Christmas? Lucy Goose, how are you feeling?
Very good.
Very good. Like very, very good, or just one very, very good?
Super good.
Super good. We're feeling super good. We're ready. Naughty or nice, Boston? Have you been naughty or nice this year, man?
Nice.
Nice. So you're ready for what? What do you want Santa to bring you this year?
An Xbox.
Oh, an Xbox. Don't we already have something like that?
Sort of? Yeah. Own.
You want your own, not the family one. You want your own. Okay.
In your room? Yeah, I want a TV.
That's enough. But that's a good wish. I like that ask. Emme, you excited for Christmas? What are you most excited about?
Spending time with my family.
Good answer. Spending time with your family. I didn't even plant that seed. Extra toys for you. That's what I say. Extra toys. And Penny,
Yep.
would you like a say in it?
Yeah.
What would you like to say about Christmas?
I want a cat.
You want a cat?
That's what I want, Penny.
Like a real cat?
Yeah. No, a dead cat.
A dead cat?
A happy cat.
A happy cat. This is an evolution. Okay, I don't know if Santa brings any sort of cats in any form, dead or alive.
I
or
got
happy.
Cocomelon books.
That's a good idea,
I
Cocomelon.
also
Okay.
want a cat.
Okay, well, before this list grows out of control, let's share this project we have because we're having fun with it in studio, and I bet everyone at home would love to have fun with it as well. So Boston and Emme are on the edible peppermint Play-Doh station. Emme, you're going to walk us through this?
Yep.
Give Boston some jobs, too, while you're doing your thing. What do we got going?
So we're gonna put 1 cup of cornstarch in.
Okay, Boss, do you want to do that? Is this the cornstarch? I think so. You want to dump that in the bowl, buddy? Go. Go. Cornstarch. Oh. Oh! Snow is flying. The fun is happening.
Let it snow.
Let it snow. What else, Em?
1/4 cup of cheesecake pudding.
Cheesecake pudding. Boston, you like cheesecake. You took after Daddy, huh? Whoa.
No, I do not like
then
cheesecake.
some-
I like cherries. Then,
Too.
I'm
Squirrel. Squirrel.
3 drops of red food coloring.
Okay, you've got it. Can Boston be
Okay,
putting this
we
liquid
done?
in? Is this the water?
Yes.
Done.
And then we already put some
Is
peppermint
that liquid?
water in.
Okay.
Last
That's-
one.
First we need to put
Oh, it goes in here? Hold on. Hold on. Go ahead. 3 drops, you said? Ooh,
Yeah, that's
pretty. Oh, that's the food coloring.
Yep.
Great. And you already put the peppermint smell in there? Okay, anything else?
Nope.
That's it. And then we're going to mix. Can I do the mixing? Do I get a job? Okay. Or with the electric mixer? We're going to do hands because the electric mixer, I don't know if it's plugged in tight. Here we go. Hand works, right?
Yep.
Okay, and demonstrate what it makes. It makes this Play-Doh. Boston, what are you going to make out of your...
A star.
A star. Show us.
I'm gonna do a Christmas tree. This is the peppermint one, but that one's just plain.
Okay, all right. Well, you guys are
This one?
working. You can see, but can you show us what you made? Because Penny and Lucy have their own project over here. This is as fun as we have in the kitchen at home.
I'm already done.
You're done. So this is homemade snow. Guess what we used to make the snow?
Mommy,
All
I'm
we
not
need-
done. Snow and water.
Snow. Okay, baking soda, 2 cups, a 1/2 cup of conditioner, and it makes this snow that almost feels real. Tell me about the little town you created. What did you make there?
A house.
A house with all the people? Penny, what did you make?
A farm.
What is it?
It's a farm.
A farm?
Yeah, but I'm not done.
But you're not done. Okay, well, what do you need to do to finish?
I'm just gonna do this.
You're just gonna do that? Oh, does it feel like snow?
Mm-hmm.
Is snow hot or cold?
Cold.
And is that snow cold?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, it's the real thing. Who is this little person in front? Who should that be in your farm? Right here. Who's that?
That's the farm.
It's the farm. Yeah, who's visiting your farm? Who is that person? Do we have the farmer?
Yeah.
Who is it, Penny girl? Oh, it does feel like snow. This is an unnamed woman
Yeah.
just visiting the farm?
Yeah.
Okay. All right,
Yellow.
2 easy projects our kids are having fun with this season. We'll post the recipes and instructions for you on the website. I mean, I think you've earned it. Oh, did we get some in your eye?
Yeah.
Oh, shoot. The snow stings just a little? Woo, you okay? All right. Lucy, what are you most excited about for Christmas? Anything?
Gabby Cat Dream House.
You what?
I said for Gabby Cat Dream House.
A Gabby Cat Dream House. Now, we got to see Santa, and we're pretty sure he was the real one, right?
Yeah.
We did, and it was so fun. Our whole family got to go visit him. We have another Christmas visitor at our house this year. Our elf came, right?
Yep. Other than Jingle Toes.
Jingle Toes the elf came, and the other day I was so impressed because every one of you drew a picture for him.
Can get it off.
Is it still in your eye?
Yeah.
I'm sorry. You drew a picture for him, and what did he give back, Boston?
Mom.
Is it still in your eye?
Mom, I want water.
Okay, we're gonna wash that eye. Merry Christmas from us to you. Can you say Merry Christmas?
Merry Christmas.
Thanks for letting us share a bit of kitchen fun from our family
I'm
to
not
yours.
done.
You're not done? We'll get the eye washed out. We'll keep building the farm.
I didn't learn to make snow yet.
And we made snow. We'll make some more during the commercial break, okay? Thanks, you guys. Good job.